I am forever thankful for this amazing opportunity that has changed my whole life for the better. Kahit may injury ang tuhod ko, but continue at happy akong i-share ang business sa hunger din magbago. With the help of the transformation blueprint, I was able to turn my life around and achieve my dreams of running a successful online business. The amazing system and the business model became the key to transform my life. Every day happy and win-win-win. Chance na natin to, a good opportunity sa atin para makapagbukas tayo or makagawa tayo ng business na sarili natin, tayo ang boss na natin sa social media. Halika na. Check my website www.rosalie-s.com